Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me today I have Malvika Mohanan. She doesn't need introduction these days because her slap makes more noise than anything else. So join me as I welcome her on Zoom.
Oh God, what an introduction! ये मैंने बिल्कुल expect नहीं किया था.
But lovely to have you, and you could see that आपकी slap की वजह से लोग आजकल काफी डर जाते हैं. एक थप्पड़ की गूंज काफी आपने मंचा के रखी है सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी के ऊपर.
यार लोगों को ऐसा लगा मैं जाके सबको मारती हूँ. मुझे डायरेक्टर ने कहा था ये शॉट में प्लीज असली स्लैप कर दो. युद्रा की जो एक सीन थी प्लीज कर दो, क्योंकि वो वी वर ट्राइंग टू फेक इट, लेकिन वो इट वाज लुकिंग फेक एंड उन्हें चाहिए था कि बस वो एक एंगल से वो पूरा शॉट ले लिए ताकि वो कट ना हो. तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप असली में मार दो स्लैप. एंड सिद्धांत ऑल्सो फुल जोश में आके उसने कह दिया कि नहीं नहीं मार दे यार मार दे. सो देन आई वेंट फॉर इट. आई एम लाइक अच्छा अभी करना है. एंड देन बेचारा नेक्स्ट थिंग आई टर्न एट हिम, वो आइस पैक लेके बैठा हुआ था ना. आई वाज लाइक आई एम सो सॉरी. Things we do.
But now the dialogue changes completely कि थप्पड़ की गूंज से डर लगता है, प्यार से नहीं लगता है. अब ऐसे फील हो रहा है मुझे सच्ची में.
I think Siddhant will agree with you.
Right? But talking about this movie and the way we have seen you, quite intense a role, quite even outrageous, I must say that. And it's your brain which has been the focus for the director in the entire movie. How it has been for you?
What was nice about the my character's name is Nikhat, and what was nice about how Nikhat was written was कि हमारे जनरेशन की जो लड़कियां हैं, एंड नॉट जस्ट हमारे जनरेशन की, अब कोई भी जनरेशन में देखो, women have always been very strong. Women don't need saving all the time. जितना सेविंग फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं कि हर फिल्म में हर हीरो को सेव करना पड़ता है, भाई रियल लाइफ में like our mothers and grandmothers, our sisters are some of the strongest, like they're stronger than most of the men I know. There are strong men and there are strong women, or even stronger women. लेकिन ये फिल्मों में दिखाते नहीं है मोस्टली. तो जब आप रोल लिखते हो, जैसे कि एक फाइट सीक्वेंस थी जहाँ सिद्धांत था, मैं थी, राघव था, एंड like Nikhat saves herself. Nikhat is beating people up, she's killing bad people. It's not like she's waiting for Yudra to save her. जो कि रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही होता है, नॉट इन सच अ ड्रामेटिक वे जहाँ आपको लोगों को मारना पड़ता है, लेकिन बीट सिचुएशंस, बीट सिनेरियोज. तो आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम कि लोग ऐसी रोल्स लिखना शुरू करें जहाँ हम एक एक्यूरेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन बताएं ऑफ वुमेन. सो इट्स नाइस दैट शी हैज़ अ माइंड ऑफ हर ओन. शी इज स्मार्ट, शी इज व्हेन शी इज डेलिकेट, लेकिन जब फाइट करती है, फाइट भी कर लेती है. व्हेन शी इज रोमांटिक, शी इज आल्सो रोमांटिक. मतलब वो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट स्पेस में नहीं कि बेचारी है तो बेचारी बना दिया. दैट स्टीरियोटाइप इज नॉट देयर, व्हिच वाज वेरी नाइस.
And I have to also ask you this, Malvika, and I've noticed this, one thing about you is, as you said this point, there is this thing about women, they are multi-talented, and many a times that doesn't come across, used to not come across, but now there are movies which are specific where they try to show that, women are the ones leading the pack. Do you feel that change was required, the highlighting of, women rather than just being someone who's just playing a supporting role to a male character?
Of course. And I like it makes me happy every time I see a film जहाँ पर अच्छे से लिखा जाता है एक फीमेल कैरेक्टर की जो जर्नी है, या you write an interesting female character. And ऐसे नहीं कि अभी like even पुराने ज़माने, if you see a lot of films from 60s and 70s and all, there are a lot of well written female roles यार. अगर आप श्रीदेवी मैम की काफ़ी फिल्में देखो, बीट चालबाज, बीट even Mr. India, there are like such iconic films where she's played such strong interesting female roles. तो ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं होता है, but then I feel like we've gone through a phase in the recent past where people have not been writing very interesting roles, except for like 1 or 2 movies. इतना कुछ है नहीं. So I hope makers start writing that again.
And in fact, as we say this, we used to wonder that, now, women have been comfortable to expose, wear certain outfits. But it's not the case, because Zeenat Aman have done that, long back. And now people cannot say that, this is a kind of a stigma or anything like that. Do you feel that is very good, that, accepting women as, being bold enough to, wear a certain outfit and being comfortable, in their skin?
But
and not judging them basically for that.
Are people accepting and not judging? मुझे तो नहीं लगता. मुझे तो लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया के वजह से अगर आप साड़ी भी पहनो, अगर आप कुछ सिंपल भी पहनो, देयर आर पीपल जो आके ट्रोल करते, क्रिटिसाइज करते, बुली करते. तो मुझे तो लगता है इनफैक्ट आज मोर देन एवर, क्योंकि एवरीबडी कैन बी अनोनिमस. एक अकाउंट के पीछे छुप कर आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. तो लोग और भी काफ़ी क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं यू नो पहले के ज़माने में इवन इफ पीपल वांटेड टू से शायद वो मीडियम था नहीं यू नो सिर्फ फोन्स थे या सिर्फ मैगजीन्स हुआ करता था नाउ पीपल हैव दैट मीडियम सो द ट्रोलिंग हैज़ गॉटन क्रेजी तो मुझे तो लगता है आजकल यू हैव टू बी अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा केयरफुल
And in fact, that reminds me, you're so right, because you know sometimes it feels like someone is hounding you constantly, you know, on social media, because you say something, you have to be constantly diplomatic, or you have to be politically correct, or you have to have so many thoughts before sharing anything, you know, any piece of information, because people take it with their perspective, and so many times we see that actors get trolled, you know, even if they have not done something, or even if they are getting captured for something being casual enough, you know, something wearing something, or you know, going for a party. Do you feel that the radar is now a lot more as compared to it used to be, you know, initial years, or you know, when we were not even born types?
डेफिनेटली यार सोशल मीडिया ने पूरा गेम ही बदल दिया है ना लाइक एवरीबडी हैज समथिंग टू से एवरीबडी ऐसे ज़बरदस्ती का ओपिनियन अगर आपका एक यू नो इफ इट्स एन ओपिनियन दैट्स कॉल्ड फॉर चलो अंडरस्टैंडेबल बट सबको कुछ कहना है सबको अपनी यू नो काफ़ी लोगों को खुन्नस निकालनी है तो सोशल मीडिया पे आके दिल जस्ट लाइक गो टू पेजेस एंड यू नो यू कैन टेल राइट व्हेन आई गो थ्रू सर्टेन लाइक मे बी लाइक माय अदर एक्टर फ्रेंड्स का कमेंट्स आई डोंट गो थ्रू माय ओन कमेंट्स आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू सैनिटी आपको खुद की सैनिटी के लिए कभी कमेंट्स पढ़ने नहीं चाहिए तो मैं सिर्फ अपने दोस्तों के स्टार्टिंग के 2-3 वाले पढ़ लेती हूँ और बाकी मैं पढ़ती नहीं हूँ एंड अगर कुछ रहेगा एक्सट्रीम तो मेरा टीम मुझे बता देता है कि ओ यू नो लाइक दिस इज पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सो एंड सो करके बट अदरवाइज द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज नॉट रीड कमेंट्स बट व्हेन आई सी माय एक्टर फ्रेंड्स का कमेंट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट यू कैन सी दैट देर आर दीज बॉट अकाउंट्स और देर आर दीज रैंडम ट्रोलिंग अकाउंट्स जो आके बस लिख रहे हैं यू नो तो उनका इंटेंट क्या है वो सब मुझे मालूम नहीं है यू नो हु एक्टिवेट्स देम बट यार लोग ऐसे ही खुन्नस निकालते हैं यार फॉर नो रीजन सो दैट वे द रीडर इज टू मच बट सी देखिए अगर आप देखेंगे सोशल मीडिया एक डबल एज स्वॉर्ड है ये जो हम बात करें वो सोशल मीडिया के कॉन्स हैं लेकिन सोशल मीडिया के इतने प्रोज भी हैं लाइक आप इट्स अ ग्रेट वे टू कनेक्ट विथ योर फैंस इट्स अ गुड प्लेस टू शो पीपल यू नो शो पीपल योर वर्क योर फोटोज़ आप कैसे पहले एक्टर्स के पास पोर्टफोलियो हुआ करता था जो वो डायरेक्टर्स को भेजते थे कि मैं इंडियन में ऐसी लगती हूँ वेस्टर्न में ऐसी लगती हूँ लेकिन आजकल सब बस इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके देख लेते हैं कि आप कैसे लगते हो यू नो सो इफ़ यू यूज इट फॉर द गुड दैट्स देयर it's a smarter way of using it instead of going through all the negativity and getting affected by that you know अगर आप वो shut off करना सीख लो तो वो balance is a good balance to have.
To also ask you this, Malvika, you know, being a daughter of a cinematographer, you know, did you have this thought getting into the world of acting? Were you like willingly ready to, you know, face the heat? Because being an actress is not that easy also, you know, you come with a lot of perception, not only social media of the audience, but also when you're working in the industry, there are so many things to follow, you know, so many protocols to follow, you know, ये नहीं कर सकते, ये मत करो, ऐसा hairstyle चाहिए, इतना diet करो, you know, and all these things, you know, especially when you worked in your recent movie also, Thangalan, you were in a certain attire, you were expected to go and shoot in heat, where you couldn't even like breathe after a point. It was so bad. The expectations, you know, being an actor is a lot. It's a lot of load versus, you know, what you really get out of, you know, it. So were you like willingly ready when you came into this world of acting?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं like it was it happened quite by accident. My first film was opposite this actor Dulquer Salmaan and Dulquer was like he was like a heartthrob at that point. He'd had a few releases in Malayalam and you know he was like the most popular new kid on the block और वो उनके साथ दुलकर के साथ एक लव स्टोरी की कास्टिंग कर रहे थे where they wanted like they were looking for a girl and Dulkar's father Mammootty sir like iconic actor he saw me somewhere and he asked me you know he suggested my name saying that you know she can be a good option for this movie so my first film came to me very accidentally जब एक्टिंग के कोई प्लान्स थे नहीं पर से बट आई टेल यू फनी स्टोरी एक्चुअली इट वॉज जब मैं कॉलेज में थी सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स लाइक यू नो आई वॉज ऑन द सेट ऑफ दिस आमिर खान फिल्म एंड he kind of saw me and out of nowhere you know like he called me and he was like hey so what do you do you know and I was like like someone like an Aamir Khan is randomly asking you know things and I was so curious and he was the first person to tell me that you know you should become an actor.
Oh wow.
So I was like sir why are you saying that? He's like no you should become an actor I'm telling you you should become an actor. I was like I don't know I'm in college you know so it's I never took it seriously but then a few people kind of you know after hearing this I was like okay maybe I can give it a shot
and then the journey started
and then I
for
did the
you.
Malayalam movie and then you know, and then I actively started. Then I was like, I enjoy doing this, and I started meeting people, and you know, then my hustling journey started, जो कि you know everybody has to do in this profession.
Yeah.
But I got some very encouraging words from some really, you know, like iconic people at the start of my career.
But also we heard that you were also an assistant director or something. You know, what exactly was it?
I was after college I was not sure I wanted to get into acting कि और acting ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है कि हम plan कर सकते हैं या which can be a goal, right? It's more like एक dream होती है या एक wish होती है because it's such a small percentage of people even get one movie,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
तो थोड़ी unrealistic लगी to you know plan my career, like acting as my career. So I was assisting an ad filmmaker. I thought I'll get into filmmaking. You know, पता नहीं था कि exactly क्या करनी है, but I really enjoyed like the creative arts. तो मैं explore कर रही थी, and you know, so I was an AD for a while.
Oh, wow. And then coming from being an AD, you moved on to working with Rajnikant, and then you delivered a 200 crore, you know, box office collection. How was it working with someone like him, you know, because everyone looks up to him. He's someone who changes and molds himself all the time, you know. So how was it, you know, just being there around an aura like that?
It was absolutely amazing. मुझे याद है मैं जब पहली बार और ये जो पहली स्केड्यूल थी उस फिल्म की जो मैं उनके साथ कर रही थी वो देहरादून में थी and it was also winter I think तो एकदम वो even the weather was so nice and misty and everything and वो एक that day उस दिन मेरी शूट नहीं थी but वो एक छोटे से बंगले में शूट कर रहे थे and you know I told one of the you know production people कि मुझे I want to say hello to him before we start shooting tomorrow. And they, you know, we were waiting outside his door and there was a room that was designated for him. And the moment he opened the door and, you know, I went in, but like, I've never seen an aura that strong. Like his aura, unki jo aura hai, it lights up the entire room. Like there is something about him, you know, you see why people love him, why he's such an icon, why he's the OG. You know, and plus like he's so kind and sweet और इतने अच्छे इंसान है ना कि आपको पता है लोग कहते हैं कि never meet your heroes because they'll disappoint you. उनके केस में उल्टा हुआ मेरे साथ. I'm like wow, like I loved him before meeting him लेकिन उनसे मिलने के बाद you know I love him so much more. So he's one of those rare people who made me feel like that. And then of course he was amazing to work with and you know so encouraging, so sweet, and he would keep telling me you're going to be a big star, you're going to be a big star. And I would get awkward, of course, because it's such a sweet compliment to get from someone like him. But he was very encouraging.
But then how did this switch happen for you? Not completely a switch, I would say, but like coming from South to Bollywood, you know, coming in the world of Yudra, you know, doing an action-oriented film. And how was that for you? Because Yudra also, you know, took like few years, you know, to come on, you know, big screen.
Yudra took time क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम पे कोविड के बाद काफ़ी डिलेस हो गए थे क्योंकि हमारे जो स्टंट डायरेक्टर्स थे दे वर कमिंग फ्रॉम स्पेन एंड यू नो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड दोज रिस्ट्रिक्शंस वर देयर ना ओनली 50 पीपल कैन शूट ओनली 70 पीपल कैन शूट वाली चीज़ तो उसमें काफ़ी डिलेस एंड देन पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन सो कोविड द पैंडेमिक डिलेड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बेसिकली लेकिन साउथ से नॉर्थ वाली स्विच तो अभी तो सब कर रहे हैं यार लाइक इनफैक्ट आई फील द मोमेंट यू गेन पॉपुलैरिटी इन साउथ बॉलीवुड वॉन्ट्स टू वर्क विथ यू मोर क्योंकि वो आपकी ऑलरेडी एक सेट मार्केट हो जाती है ऑडियंस हो जाती है विजिबिलिटी हो जाती है which Bollywood films are trying to capitalize into, which is why you're seeing so many South actresses, you know, be it Rashmika, be it Samantha, now be it Sai Pallavi with Ramayan.
Yeah.
Like so many people are working in Hindi. Like everyone's working everywhere, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है, you
But
know.
do you also feel that the popularity what you get, you know, through South movies is much more higher? You know, even when I see like if I do an interview right now, the reaction is going to be immense, you know, and I'm not trying to say that, you know, I'm not trying to say, you know, Bollywood people don't have the popularity, they also have, but with South there is something like, you know, they treat their actors like gods, they treat them very special, they really like, you know, treat them very differently, and plus there is humbleness a lot in actors, you know, in down South. Do you feel that is very tremendous? The way people love is quite different also, you know, they worship them, you know. For example, like I've seen like whenever Rajnikant movie releases, there is, you know, milk or there is something, you know, there's garlands and all, and it happens.
It's so much fun.
Yeah, it happens for so many years now.
Yeah, ये चीज़ एक्चुअली है, ये जो तेलुगु तमिल फिल्म्स की जो फर्स्ट शोज होती है, स्पेशली अगर आप सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स में जाओगे, इट्स सो मच फन I'm sure it's there even in Bombay. If you go to a Gaiety Galaxy for a Salman Khan release and all, I'm sure, you know, the crowd goes
very selective
nuts.
actors, but like for
Right,
in
I know what
South,
you mean. Yeah, like for Shah Rukh sir, Salman
Yeah,
sir, you know,
yeah.
that's there. I don't know, like about the younger generation, I don't know who has that.
Yeah.
But Telugu, Tamil, first day, first shows, when if you know, for a big hero film, इतना मज़ा आता है यार. You know, band बाजा सब theatre के बाहर at like the first show will be at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning. There will be trucks with people playing music. There'll be a DJ. There'll be these actors के बड़े बड़े cutouts होते हैं जहाँ पे लोग दूध डालते हैं, जो कि अच्छी बात नहीं है क्योंकि दूध वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. But then there are these big garlands जो कि लोग डालते हैं, and it's like a festival. It's a celebration. वैसा एक विजन आपको दुनिया में और कहीं देखने नहीं मिलेगा. If not for India, you won't get to see something like that anywhere else. You know, nobody will be doing that in French cinema or European cinema, yeah, even can. So that's fun and very interesting. But to answer your question, I think popularity, I'm sure हर industry में है यार. It's there in every crazy fandom. You know, if you're popular, I don't know. मैंने हिंदी की अभी तक इतनी experience की नहीं है. So I'll tell you after a few more movies.
But have you like tried hiding yourself and going and watching a movie because you just want to see the reaction of the people? It could be yours, it could be of some other actor also, but you know, just hiding yourself and just going in the theatre and watching a film. You remember any such
I had
experiences
done
of
it.
yours?
मैंने एक फिल्म की थी मास्टर, जो कि पैंडेमिक के बाद it was one of the biggest releases,
Yes.
and it went on to like, you know, be like a super duper, like a blockbuster hit. तो उस टाइम पे मैं गई थी, बट लेकिन मैं अपने कास्ट लाइक क्रू के साथ गई थी. यू नो, वी वेंट एंड सैट विद द ऑडियंस एंड यू नो वी सॉ देयर रिएक्शंस व्हिच इज लाइक क्रेजी. इट्स पल्सेटिंग reactions in the theatre. So that was like that's like a core memory experience.
But any as such crazy thing you have done, you know, while being in this profession, which you, whenever you recollect, you're like, really, I did something like this, you know, for
Like
you
what?
to. It could be anything. It could be something like, you know, just going late in the night and, you know, doing some shoot for your own self, or, you know, just going to a theatre visit, or just doing something very, you know, very different where you were like, oh wow, I did something like this for my work, or anything passionate about.
I have, I mean, वो तो that तो happens on an everyday basis. You know, तो वो इतना crazy लगता है. I think वो schedule ही अभी इतना crazy हो गया कि ऐसी चीज़ें ज़्यादा crazy लगती हैं नहीं. It's become very, you know, normal to like. I think the craziest like my schedule, like I was shooting in Chennai for 2 days. And क्योंकि वो थोड़े date clashes थे, I had to रात तक shoot करके, फिर मैंने रात को I took a 2 a.m. 3 a.m. flight. I went to Hyderabad because I had to start shooting for the Prabhas movie in the morning.
Okay.
So I think around more than 48 hours I have gone without sleep. Just continue shooting.
See something like this.
Not even 1 or 2 hours of sleep. क्योंकि time था ही नहीं बीच में. So lots of coffee and just praying कि face
For
puffy
2
ना
days
लगे.
you didn't sleep.
For 2 days I didn't sleep. I shot in Chennai the
Yeah.
whole day. रात को 11 बजे तक. वहाँ से
No, this is
सीधा
crazy, of course, मानने का.
ये मेरे लिए नॉर्मल हो गया है.
Oh,
तो मुझे
really?
भी क्रेजी नहीं लगता है. It's crazy that I don't find this crazy. You're right.
Yeah.
But I've shot 48 hours straight. So yeah, I think that was the last craziest thing I've done.
But you have been someone who's been beyond the clouds for a lot of people, I must say that, because you're one of those individual or the actress being selected by the director while there were names like Kangana Ranaut and Deepika Padukone being thrown at. And it was you who got selected, you know, during that phase for Beyond the Clouds. How was that experience for you? Because at a very initial stage of your life, you have worked in a movie like that.
I mean, these are such incredible, iconic women that you know they're amazing, and I love both of them. But I think उस time पे casting की situation ऐसी थी कि the director wanted somebody new, he wanted somebody fresh, so I think he went in a different direction. Having said that, it was a lovely experience working with the filmmaker, like working with somebody like Majid Majidi, who is, you know, world renowned, जो इतने famous है, इतने well regarded है, Oscar nominated है. तो वो वाला experience काफ़ी अच्छा था, and as an actor बहुत सीखने को मिला. That was the first time I worked with Ishan Khattar, who's again a fabulous actor. He's doing cool things globally now as well.
Now he's become an international
Yeah, he's
kind
become an
of a
international
person,
actor, and I'm very happy for him. You know, he's so talented. So it was a very good team, and when you work with directors like that at a growing stage, you learn so much. Like the kind of actor you become, they shape that. You know, so that was a lovely experience.
And what do I see more from your end, in terms of your work? What do you want to really focus on?
I want to do everything. I want to work with amazing directors. I want to work in all languages with the best artists. I want to do the best and the biggest films in every industry. That's my current goal. That's what I want to do. And even like internationally, yes. But because right now the phase is मैं यहाँ काम कर रही हूँ, एक तमिल फिल्म की है अभी, एक तेलुगु कर रही हूँ, एक हिंदी रिलीज हुई है. I'm in talks for more Hindi movies. So I want to like,
enjoy the entire
this
phase of it. But are you liking the chaotic scenario around you? Because I'm sure, by the end of the day, you'll feel, oh my god, I've done so many things. Like 48 hours में यानी तुमने सोया ही नहीं. That itself is a compliment to you, I must say that.
Yeah, 40. And also, like, I was just telling my team, I was like, I haven't had one single day off in the last 60 days, 60. I haven't had one day off. Na Sunday, not even half a day. So now I'm like, guys, थोड़ा दिन दे दो यार मुझे सोना है थोड़ा, normal चीज़ें करनी है, family के साथ time spend करना है. So it's become that hectic. But in a time when work is generally slow in the industry, I feel lucky कि I have back-to-back things going on. क्योंकि this is better than not having work.
That's true.
Or being at home. So I'd any day choose this.
What do you prefer doing when you're on your off day? Like, where is your focus completely on?
If I'm too tired, then I want to, of course, like sleep and eat good food and everything. But if it's under a normal circumstance, I like, I watch a lot of world cinema. So I'll watch a new film. I'll catch up with some friends. Basically, something easy क्योंकि हमारी work life इतनी hectic हो जाती है that you need that little chill and downtime where you're doing nothing. Shopping, a lot of online shopping.
You all do that, yeah, after point. Like, are you also the ones in the night who's just scrolling and like, चलो buy कर लेते हैं अभी?
यार, I think मैंने रात को ज़्यादा पैसे spend किए instead of daytime. It's become वो ऐसी वाली हालत बन गई और पता नहीं चलता because of these pop-up ads पता ही नहीं चलता है. You're like, oh, just so and so money करके जो
बाद में जो आता है bank balance में.
Yeah.
You're also working with Prabhas, and he's very like highly spoken of. People do talk about his work, quite often, and there have been some other conversations also which takes place around him. But how was it for you working with him?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing, and he is like the box office king right now in our country. So but when he's on set, he's very sweet, very humble, very approachable. जो कि सब नहीं होते. Not everyone's approachable. People are sweet, people are polite, but they're not always approachable, which he is. He makes an effort. He'll make you feel warm and welcome. तो ऐसा feeling नहीं आता कि पहली फिल्म है तेलुगु में. Not at all. And it's a really fun movie as well. It's very different from everything else Prabhas sir has himself done in the last 3 to 4 movies. It's a horror comedy. It's also got like a rom-com vibe. So it's an exciting space, and I'm really waiting for the film to come out actually.
So lovely chatting with you, Malvika, and it was lovely having you on board for the interview. We had some like good discussions, good things you have revealed, and more to come from you once I see more of your projects, this side as well as on that side. Thank you so much for your lovely time.
Thank you so much. It was so lovely chatting with you.
Thank you, Malvika.